We had some of the most challenging conditions that the race had faced in the past 5 years.
We had complete power failure.
We had a near capsize and an oar snaps. We had a Marlin attack.
This Marlin bill punctured the hull and then gone through the mattress I was lying on.
We each lost close to 20 pounds.
Your body has to adapt and cope quite quickly. There's a real focus, therefore, on refueling, rehydrating, resetting the salts in your body, making sure that you are being as efficient as possible in terms of your nutrition plan.
Element was probably our most used product on the boat. We used Element in every single water bottle. On the last day, we rode through the night.
To have finished second place, given everything we encountered, I think is a big W for us.
Just that moment as you cross the finish line and flares in hand.
The finish was just absolutely epic.